Damn, I'm gonna be out. Come on, man. I feel dizzy, fam. Ah, man. Jack TPT told me to practice my wheelies on cement. Man, I should just practice on grass. That's the safest for me, grass. And I just fractured my wrist 7 months ago at Costa Mesa doing a jump. Come on, dog. You can't make this up, dog. Come on, man. What's going on with this world, dog? And hopefully my forks or bar ain't broken, because I couldn't even put it back. It is great, dog. This is so great, fam. Oh, come on, man. I was gaining momentum too to learn how to wheelie. I thought I was gonna be good. Man, this is great. Super great. I wonder how long I'm gonna be out for. At least my shoulder can get better, cause it's sore from the crash 7 months ago. Bruh, straight out, I don't know how you guys wheelie, dog. I don't know how. Apparently everyone and their moms knows how to wheelie, except me. Like, why can I not wheelie? Like, come on, man. What's going on with this world? And I don't even know if I might need surgery or what. And now I have to go to the ER. Damn. When I sat down, I felt like all dizzy. Felt like I was gonna faint. I don't even know what I was thinking. Ah, this is so great. This is super, super great.